Have you ever wasted an entire evening fighting over what new show you're going to watch?
Couples fight.
Today's AI video is going to solve that problem for you in just a couple of minutes. Check this out. This is Kevin, and on AI for the Average Guy, it's where we show you easy solutions to your everyday problems using AI. Here's a simple one. Check this out. Okay, so I've got this simple prompt here. It says, my wife and I are having a hard time finding a new TV show to watch together. We don't like shows that have a lot of sex in them, and we don't like lots of swearing. We've enjoyed shows in the past like Mentalist, NCIS, High Potential, Suits, just to name a few. Can you suggest new shows that fit this description based on shows we have watched in the past? So I simply submit that prompt. It's going to do a little bit of research and a little bit of thinking, and it's going to spit out a bunch of shows that are similar based on ones that we've watched in the past. So you can see it's recommending, here's a list of ones it's saying for us to go check out that are similar. And then you can say what platforms you want or what platforms you stream on. So you say, are these available on Hulu and or Peacock? And it's just going to do a little bit of research, let you know where they're available. And so now you've got some very easy shows to go check out, and you know what platforms to go watch them on. Isn't that a really simple, awesome tip to save you tons of time and fighting with your significant other? Leave us a comment down below about things you're looking for solutions for in your life, and we can show you how AI can solve those. As always, subscribe. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.